Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Firefox background color on PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already opened my Firefox application and I'm going to show you how we can change our background. So guys, first thing first, you can go to this three lines option and then you're going to find the settings menu and go to the general setting and scroll down until you find the language and appearance setting. Okay, and if you want to change your background, you can change the contrast color. And as you can see, I'm using automatic, so the background color will change automatically according to the system setting. And if you want to change your background color, don't choose this option. You can choose custom guys. Okay, and then you can select manage color here and go to the background, and I have selected purple as my color, and I'm going to select another color, for example this one. Okay, then click on this OK button and OK, and as you can see guys that the background color has been changed. And yeah, that's so simple, and you can try it on your PC. Okay guys, and that's how we can change Firefox background color on PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!